We're the Reitzels and we sell cottages, you know that. Here's another one with a big yellow chair, and here's Jeff to tell you more.
And this one's got some upside. It comes complete with an oversized single garage on a poured concrete foundation and a rare opportunity to either build your dream cottage or renovate the existing one on one of the best locations on the lake. As usual, you get 100 feet of frontage, you get a bay view and a long view. I'll let the drone tell the rest of the story. And remember, there's upside here, a great price point to get you on the lake. For more information on lot 532, visit ConestogoLake.com.
Or follow the big yellow chairs, they're everywhere. We're the Reitzels and we sell cottages.